landlord waka enter this compound in wallet miss. Then you talk wetin you talk, and you know say the people when take that thing now among your useless children when you born thief when they are among.
Fine. Useless children from useless father.
You say what?
Now wait till I just talk with that. By the way, that landlord see the wallet for any of my children's hand. Abi, how it even sure say he carried that wallet call this compound? Where call they accuse my children? Eh?
So now what you want to talk with that?
Now so.
Now wait till you open your mouth to talk with that. Anyway, and they come back to you. Where the children went to this house? Where are they? Where these useless children for this house? Kolo! Hey, okay, Kolo not even there. Kolo not there. I never see her since. Shakilo! Shakilo! Tabo! Shakilo! Wait there, wait.
Papa, why, waiting? Why you they shout my name like who want that?
You see, wait. You see your son? Ordinary Shakilo, now it becomes me. Anyway, I don't want to answer you, Shakilo. Tabo! Where is your useless daughter? Tabo!
What if all this one? Hey, they shout me without no respect. Table. You they shout everyone that say you win lotto. They shout table. Let us not want collapse. What did happen this morning?
Now see finish with all this one. See finish. Gaya, are they come first? Gaya! Wait, Gaya.
But this is happen, eh? Why the other man have a sheet, strong sheet? See, I don't tell you that they put swag for that name. They put swag. Tell them.
Mama Kolo, ordinary names when I call your useless children, now they call me back. Give me double of the names when I call them.
I bet face them. I know say you see finish. Face them. Now so.
Anyway, the reason why I call for this meeting, now be this. I for don't call for the meeting since, but because we are not the house. That's make I call for the meeting now at the house, even though Kolo not here now. Who thief landlord wallet? Shakilo, who thief landlord wallet?
Papa, no, nonsense question. Be that.
Wait, Shakilo. Just say yes or no.
Yes, sir. I support you for this one. You know, say you get deficiency of the mouth. So because of that, anything where your mouth not go fit talk, use this your two hands. Talk am. Yeah?
Papa Kolo, now your pikin they talk to like that. It no go better for you.
Mama Kolo, come. Point of correction, Mama Kolo. Now your pikin and they talk to like that because I don't know where if I go bring these things come where they bear my name. How person go? One question when I ask, now you nearly put the ground. Come on for ground, just stand up. I won't ask you again, Shakilo. Who thief landlord wallet? Before you answer me, just knock your head, say yes or no, because I don't want to sleep here.
Papa. No.
Don't say nonsense.
No sense at all. Don't ever for this house before. I don't ever.
Papa Kolo, you see your
Wait. Papa Kolo, what
which kind of brother I get for this compound? Hey! My mother born. You don't born, show me.
Shut up for that.
You dey craze. Shakilo don't come out.
Before Tebo. My Tebolistic Tebo.
Now let me one day.
I know say you know the thief.
For sure now the thief.
But I still know who the thief for this house.
We know ourselves.
So Tebo, tell me, who thief landlord wallet?
Which kind of talk for the yam like this? Which kind of talk for the yam? Me all that say the yam for my side and the yam for past side. See that long never package well. If you don't package, you'll come back to me now. Teach him work.
What is that on me?
Sam, oh God, Papa, please just pack well. Why don't I start? Because you see me for this house today. Let me come and talk. They probably talk all this talk will not get weight. Eh? What be your own? See, as I talk, so guy just dey Joshua away from me. One bobo. Just to give me money. Follow they talk all this talk will not get weight. My phone dey ring. I don't know how to do. Don't go my time. Oh, but what are they wait for me? I'm going to make the phone and talk for you.
Nah. Tebo.
I better make person hear word. Which table you dey come? Table where you don't reach where you dey go since.
See what you talk. See what you talk for much. You dey laugh, abi? You dey laugh. Anyway, she don't waka comot, no problem. Ganya, you be get sense before, but I know still surprised if you follow them. Who thief landlord wallet? What you talk? Who thief landlord wallet?
Child.
Yes, yeah.
I don't provoke. So, Pale, now because of this stupid landlord matter, I carry me down for years since. Pale, I dey vex. I dey provoke. Eh? Say, because now that person waste my time like this, carry me down for years like this. I will not come out this for a month. Ganya. I don't come out this for a month. I don't get us now. You tell me I go to your zone. You know how much money for that in my pocket today? You know how much? Say, Pale, Male, next time. Next time. Maybe I'm Male. Don't get me the right thing.
Baba, you don't born pikin. In fact, you don't born children. You don't see what I come out. For a serious matter like this, I don't see the head, I don't see the tail.
No problem now. I still don't get head. At least it gets it for you now.
You say waiting?
Now wait till I talk with that.
Anyway, landlord said the next time when you want to enter this compound, he go bring soldier, police, civil defense, FROCN, come here because of that in wallet when you lost.
No wahala.
Now, when you not come fit ask your useless children who take the wallet, I will leave you and them.
You see, your liver don't already dey fail you. The landlord and the police not be man like you, they be.
What you talk?
Make them come.
Come, I know they fear anybody.
Yeah.
Okay? Make I tell you my mind. By the time you bring all those people come, they will catch you and your family. Because me, I'm not a member of the family. Yes, absolutely. Before you go come, I don't go. Then, if she should not feel collect the wallet from your useless children, you and them will answer the question. For me, I don't come.
You come out now. Who got this house? The Papa will get house. Stupid man.
Which kind of nonsense is this? Who that landlord say this? Who it is say me? No, with that useless landlord. If you see what this useless landlord do me just like, he can't gather crowd to my head for main road. Because of ordinary wallet where he's on as thief for your pocket. Which I don't say be that. Now he said they go house, he will go bring soldier come, military come, make they come pack everybody from here.
So, what's it going to make you dey panic like this? Now because say you won't come arrest your children or because you won't come arrest you?
At times I believe say something don't come from here. What you concern me and your children? I dey talk for myself. I dey talk for myself. I dey tell you say see what happened to me, you dey talk about your children.
Hey! This man, you know just like all your children at all. And yet now you born the 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
And the 6 children when you just come now, no one get head inside.
Even though they don't get head, at least they get neck. Look at you. Like father, like children.
That's what you talking.
Now wait till I talk to you. I put water for my talker. If you like the panic for here, whether you like them or not, you will take this house. Police and soldiers will come arrest you.
See, make I tell you something. I don't go inside, they don't come first. I don't go inside, they hide inside. I know they are not that big. If they come, carry your children. I don't come out. Come out!
Come, Pale, don't fall me.
Come on from my front team. What do you want this one?
See. Mama Kolo, you don't marry. My dear, your papa, now because of say landlord talk say you won't go bring police come, let me can't just the panic like this.
I find say Pale no get live now. No wonder one for me. Girl say I know you're injured. I want for you this afternoon.
Chai! This man wow. Come, Gaya.
what do you know about this landlord wallet when you talk so? Eh? I know say you know the thief, but what do you know about him?
You know say I know the thief. Why you call they ask me now, eh? I don't turn and say I'm not call me for this matter. You cannot ask me anything concerning this wallet matter.
See, Ganyan, you don't understand. What I they ask you now be say, eh? You see who collects that wallet for landlord pockets. I'm not saying are you carry out. Eh? Because landlord talk say he won't go bring police come. He won't go bring soldiers come for this matter. I don't serious well.
If you like me carry water, carry get my baby uniform come now. Ganyan leave I know they shake. Hear me so. I say I'm next time when I go ask me about this matter, heavy casala go boss for this house. I'm the joke. I know you're the joke.
Hey, Ganyan, I beg. No be you I talk say take wallets. I dey ask you again. Eh? You see somebody wey carry am for pockets. Now they ask you they take that wallet.
I want to see person wey carry wallets now. Me wey waka leave landlord that day. I wan move come off house. Now waka leave am for road now. Eh? But by the way, sef, where the Gorimakpa landlord dey look wey person move the wallets for a pocket. I bet see, may you and your husband no dey come for us time about matter again.
Hey, now why you dey talk about like that?
I dey pack yourself. I don't know.
Eh? Hey! Which kind of children do this? Wait. Who among my children will do this thing? Oh, no. I suspect it. Tego!
What's this time? Why you shout my name? Tembo! With your color neck. Tembo!
See you. You don't see dress up again. You want to go out. Your yash don't sit down for house.
No, my leg will sit down for that. I'm dress dinner. Let me look and wear you.
Tebo, that's serious matter, the grant. Landlord don't take that thing wallet matter serious. He say he won't go call police and soldier come. Eh? See, if you be saying that you carry that wallet, make you talk.
Let me landlord go bring army from Zafara. He not concern me. Me no fit take that landlord not package well. He never ready. If he not package, go come and I'll sham work.
Hey, Tebo, now that one you want to?
This kind of thing. They won't go arrest your papa. Don't arrest your family.
You will not put toy here for my star show. I don't want an arrow stash now. I want to say, so my leg don't do Joe show. People away from me. You hear me so?
Hey.
This land of a no say let me carry the wallet. And if you go to bring soldiers and police for me, I know what to do. Tell me what they carry last. Oh yeah, I'm going to go.
This kind of eh? Papa no dey fit talk to them. Mama no dey fit talk to them. Which kind of wahala be this? Hey!
Hey, you.
They shave your baby.
Wait till they find for you. Where my wallet?
Make you forget about that wallet. Forget about that money. See your
Hey, see us your hand, cold. You put her for freezer before you come here.
This is my national this. I'm not for freezer.
Hey.
So now because of that small money inside the wallet, make you say you want to police mama. Eh? And that chicken money inside the wallet, make you call it shark my papa mama. Eh? You say you want to be police for them, you want to be soldier, you want to be I don't see. And then when you say you call them, you talk many things that day.
So now you take the wallet, eh? Anyway, no wahala. Just the flex and they go, eh?
Correct man, I get so. See, make you go try and be police people come. Don't go try and be soldiers. All those that are gas, they be my pop. I mean they say that the way they do you, so you see, I'm so. If you be saying you call him for prison, make you not try him. I didn't hear the true story so.
Police case. I know even sabi the road to police station. Talk test of soldier barrack.
Better, not try him.
Hey, I no say Papa and Mama Kolo get this kind of guitar. When I just suffer cold for my house since my wife died.
Don't worry, yeah? I did here for you. I'm by your side.
Okay.
And for the 11 months from my father owe you, if you just forget him.
You say?
Just forget the 11 months my father owe you for rent now.
Okay. No wahala. No wahala. Would have just forget the 11 months rent sharp. As long as they, you know that.
It's
my mother stay there for free.
Best for you. Correct, ma. Gala say you okay. Gala. Say you go this afternoon. Oh boy.
My NEPA bill, I won't go pay NEPA bill. But
don't they pay NEPA bill again now? You know.
No, okay. I don't go pay again. You fit carry on. You go reach you use.
I will just manage what to do.
Okay. Carry.
Gala Lord. Bookish man. Gala Lord. Let's have something. Don't worry, I'm not sweet tomorrow. I go see your thoughts.
I go there wait,
You want to wait for me here?
Okay now.
I'll come tomorrow. By 8:30, I know they.
For morning, I'll be for night.
For night now, for sleep with you. You go sleep the same night. Gala, I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey.
When you pick up house today, I mean, you don't see landlord wallet.
Mama, forget that matter. Landlord wallet that voicemail.
Voicemail? Which one be voicemail?
Mama, in this thing, I make take landlord wallet.
Tabo. So now you take landlord wallet. I first they suspect you.
I just saw that you match well. I don't know if you go bring police for us again.
Hey God, Tabo, you carry money. You can't give her soda chop. You won't kill her. Which kind of wickedness be this?
Mama, you don't understand. Hey, you don't understand. Because me you package you wear because of the you get. Your mate see the junction. Mama soda no me say I soda in months. But see I miss it. I me don't go beg gun. I don't go beg gun where I don't consider forget. I don't consider forget. Money pack. I don't go this person.
Huh? Hey, Tabo.
That's true now.
I trust you.
And that was supposed to do.
Hey, the level goes straight like that. Don't forget. Papa Kolo, go.
What did they shout on me like that?
Now Tebo take.
So you happy so you're picking at Tiffany?
No, God forbid. I'm picking up Tiffany.
So what you want to tell me? Hey, drop your hand.
Just maintain your just pack where this afternoon. I said they come, so I say I'll get you. But we all day in alignment too. If not, every castle will bust for this house now.
You say?
Papa, where?
Tell your papa what happened. He said he don't forget about the 11 months rent from the one. Now what picking do?
And you they happy put. Now afraid that thing happen.
Papa, you know that wallet. That wallet when they next. Let me take.
You be thief now.
Mama, no, Papa, not the thief. I only just obtain from the landlord. Put up for you because make you know when you pay. I don't package the man. Now
Man, when you know your papa, then you cost like that.
I forget that my.
How much you say you get the wallet?
Only 20,000 naira. Now the man put a shot for a year.
20,000
Put a shot. You don't forget the matter.
20,000.
20,000 naira.
Inside that wallet.
No. Wallet is 20,000.
You see, I don't first talk and say among the 6 children when this your mama born, not let you get sense inside, get my kind of character. You be my pikin. I'm your father.
Now you don't really say that be your children now.
Point of correction. Only her now they talk about others now useless children when you born. My dear, see, out of that 20,000 naira, you first of all dash me 5,000, make I take arrange myself. Yeah. Give me 5. Yeah.
You see, Mr. Papa? That money they talk about, you don't walk far. You don't go distance country.
See, make I tell you. Just give me 2,000 inside. Make I reduce the money. Just give me 2,000.
Papa, leave me there. I'm not getting money. The money that have West May.
Come.
If I don't give anybody money, then my mama will.
Leave your mama. Your mama not old. Come, follow me.
Papa,
Come, give me 2,000. You be my pikin. I'm your father. See, let me born you.
Come on and see this man. Hey!